Hi, my name is Dorothy Casey. I'm a health consultant and a former chronic ovarian cyst sufferer. Before I introduce you to the exact natural solution that helped me overcome my recurring ovarian cysts, let's talk about symptoms of ovarian cysts bursting. Ovarian cysts are growths that appear like sacs, and they have fluids within them. Most adult females who can have babies have these cysts, and so it can be said that they are quite normal. Ovarian cysts often go away on their own and without too much intervention. There are, however, two exceptions to this. If the cyst is too large, twisted, or can rupture or burst, it can be too dangerous to overlook, because such a cyst can cause further complications, which could be costly. An ovarian cyst that bursts will cause severe pain in the abdomen, and not just that, its contents, the fluids, will spill over into the ovaries, and this could mean further trouble. In some cases, such a condition could also be life-threatening. Here are some of the most common symptoms of those cysts that can burst. You might experience sudden, unaccounted bleeding even when there is no menstruation. This is one major symptom that you had a cyst and that it burst. If your periods have suddenly become exceptionally irregular, then it could also mean that you have a cyst that can burst. Yes, every woman will know that the periods are never, ever very regular, but in case of an ovarian cyst that can burst, they will become extremely erratic, much more than normal. Your periods could also become extremely light or heavy. You may also experience a frequent need to visit the toilet to urinate. This happens because the cyst is pressing on your bladder. There could also be some discomfort and pain in the pelvic region as well. This is often quite confusing because women experience pain anyway during menstruation, and so the pain for a cyst that could burst is mistakenly taken as menstruation pain. This can be a problem. But do remember that the pain for a cyst that could burst will be more acute and the pain could last longer. Other symptoms of cysts that can burst include nausea and vomiting. These symptoms can also be confusing because they appear similar to the symptoms of pregnancy. It is thus best to go to the doctor to get it verified. There are some pregnancy checkers available over the counter, and you could try them to find out whether or not you are pregnant. If the result is negative, then these symptoms could mean a cyst. There can be some physical changes, such as change in the structure of the body, abnormal gain in weight, and breast tenderness. These are also symptoms of a cyst that had burst. However, do remember that you will probably not show all of these symptoms. This is rarely the case. And the severity of symptoms could also vary greatly from one person to another. Now, what you must understand is that regardless of the symptoms you have, the cause or the type of your ovarian cysts, the only way to permanently cure ovarian cysts and prevent their recurrence and their potential complications is the holistic approach. Unlike the conventional medical approach, which tackles the symptoms of the disease by calming the pain or by removing the ovarian cyst itself, the holistic approach to healing uses 100% natural means to help the body restore its natural inner balance while tackling all the deep-rooted factors responsible for the formation of ovarian cysts. In this way, the holistic approach, safely and without any side effects, neutralizes the internal environment responsible for ovarian cyst formation. This is the only way to ensure permanent freedom from ovarian cysts and their related symptoms, alongside a healthy and balanced hormonal and reproductive system, mental clarity, and well-being. Now, as a former chronic ovarian cyst sufferer, I want to introduce you to the exact solution you've probably been searching for forever. The system I'm talking about is called Ovarian Cyst Miracle by Carol Foster. This is the only program that worked for me after years of suffering. This is a fast, simple, unique, and extremely effective 100% holistic 3-step system for eliminating ovarian cysts and PCOS for good by tackling the root cause of this condition. The Ovarian Cyst Miracle System works regardless of your age or lifestyle. It works even if you have small or very large ovarian cysts, multiple ovarian cysts, follicular cysts, dermoid cysts, or endometriomas cysts. If you want to learn more about the Ovarian Cyst Miracle by Carol Foster, you're welcome to visit Carol's website by clicking on the link to your right or on the link which will appear at the end of this video presentation. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you health and happiness.